Oh my God, if you have no plans to sell your house, but the other party offers you an offer you can't refuse, will you sell it? The original owner of this Bel Air estate, Dutch media mogul Reinout Oerlemans, has no plans to sell. But Grammy winner The Weeknd spent an incredible $70 million to convince the previous owner of the house gave it up. Then the deal was done. The sprawling property sits on 1.6 acres that overlooks the Bel Air Country Club. The 33,000-square-foot mansion is composed of 9 bedrooms, a sports court, a spa with a sauna, a hammam, an indoor pool, an outdoor infinity pool with a waterfall, a movie theater, a gym, and a music studio. The Weeknd has sold over 75 million records, making him one of the world's best-selling artists. Do you like this mansion? Would you spend $70 million to buy this place? Let us know in the comments.